Welcome to SealXpert video presentation. Today we are going to show you the cleaning effects between a water-based liquid hand soap and a solvent-based SP20 cleaner and degreaser aerosol spray. A plastic sheet is coated with liquid asphalt and dried. First, liquid hand soap is dispensed into a cloth and wiped against the asphalt-coated surface. This has no cleaning effect on the asphalt. Next, now we are going to demonstrate the use of SP20 cleaner and degreaser to remove the asphalt. Shake the can well before use. Spray the SP20 cleaner and degreaser liberally on the surface. Next, we are going to show you how to use SP20 cleaner and degreaser to remove a sticker without leaving any residue. Spray the SP20 cleaner and degreaser to the sticker and allowing to run off. Gently remove the sticker. The sticker can be removed easily without leaving any traces or residue. For more information, visit our website www.sealxpert.com.